AI Hallucinations, exploring the quirks of artificial intelligence. Welcome to another episode of AI Thunder, where we bring you the latest and greatest in AI. Today, we're diving into a phenomenon that often leaves us scratching our heads and chuckling at the absurdity. AI hallucinations. That's right. Those moments when an AI spits out information that makes you think, is it messing with me? But before you hit the panic button on your futuristic fears, let's unpack this with a challenge to pique your interest. I'm going to throw out 3 facts, and your task is to figure out how they're tied together. Here we go. Fact 1. The distance from the Earth to the Moon is 54 million kilometers. Fact 2. I used to work at a major Australian airline before landing a gig at IBM. Fact 3. The James Webb Telescope snapped the first ever photo of an exoplanet outside our solar system. Got any guesses? Well, spoiler alert, they're all products of a little phenomenon known as AI hallucination, courtesy of large language models like ChatGPT. Let's start by decoding what an AI hallucination actually is, and why these super smart systems sometimes take a wrong turn down nonsense lane. Essentially, hallucinations are those creative slip-ups where AI decides to play fast and loose with facts. And believe me, they're not just limited to small mix-ups. They can go from contradicting previous sentences to conjuring up complete fictions. We often see these occur in different flavors: simple contradictions in sentences, prompts being completely ignored, and of course, like the ones we shared earlier, full-fledged factual errors. Picture this. An AI informs you that Barack Obama was the first president of the United States. Classic. Sometimes it even throws in irrelevant tidbits for extra confusion, like declaring Paris is the capital of France because it's also the name of a famous singer. Just the kind of fun fact you need in your day. But why, oh why, do these AI missteps happen? The answer is a bit like trying to figure out your cat's dreams, frustratingly intricate. Yet, we know a few culprits that often stir up these hallucinations. First off, data quality plays a big role. LLMs like ChatGPT are trained on vast, whirling oceans of text, some brimming with knowledge, while others are more like Reddit's dive into the abyss of online chatter. If you've ever browsed Reddit, you'll know it's not exactly a bastion of absolute truth. Plus, even if all this input data were perfect, which is a tall order, there's no guarantee it covers every single nook and cranny the AI is asked to describe. Next up is the generation method itself, which is a bit like improv comedy between fluency and coherence, accuracy and novel spins on dialogue, the very trade-offs that make interactions with LLMs both fascinating and sometimes whimsically unreliable. Tools like beam search or sampling are involved here, pushing these models toward fluency while they tiptoe around diversity, coherence, and creativity, all awaiting their cue to perform. Our final suspect in the lineup is input context. As users, this one's in our wheelhouse, trust me. The model's input prompt can guide its responses or completely derail them. For example, asking, "Can cats speak English?" without more context might make you sound like you need a coffee break when, in reality, you'd been chatting about the Garfield comic the whole time. Oops, seems telling your AI the why can be just as critical as the what. So how do we bring these hallucinations back down to earth and make interactions with our AI pals consistently logical and less outlandish? Providing clear, specific input prompts is like speaking the AI's love language. When we pinpoint exactly what we want, like saying, "Summarize the major events in key countries involved in World War II," it helps the model laser focus on delivering the nuggets of knowledge we crave. Got a juicy story or poetic masterpiece in mind? Multi-shot prompting could become your secret weapon. By serving the AI several examples with clear expectations, it starts discerning patterns and context with Sherlock Holmes-like prowess, ensuring the final product is closer to what you had in mind. For those already typing in your next prompt, there's more to explore. In a few seconds, we'll delve deeper into minimizing these quirky digital hallucinations, dialing in our trusty neural companions, and optimizing their settings. So, hold tight, because the AI roller coaster ride is just getting started. We ended last time talking about some methods to keep AI hallucinations under control, like providing crystal clear prompts and diving into multi-shot prompting for guidance. But there's even more we can do to ensure our AI interactions stay logical. First on the list is active mitigation strategies. Don't let the fancy name fool you. These tweaks can be surprisingly simple. Adjusting key settings of LLMs can make all the difference. Let's take the temperature parameter, for example. Not talking about the weather here. Lowering this parameter can reel in creativity, leading to more precise and structured responses. On the flip side, cranking it up adds a dash of unpredictability, perfect for when you're channeling your inner artist or storyteller. Another gem in the toolkit is multi-shot prompting, our trusty sidekick when single shot just doesn't cut it. By showing the model several samples or stylistic cues, it's like paving a smooth runway for your AI to land just the right response. Whether you're writing code, crafting poetry, or answering deep philosophical questions, this method primes the AI for success. Of course, sometimes mistakes happen, and when your language model takes a creative detour, view it as an unpredictable sidekick trying its best. The key is understanding that these tools are forever evolving. Progress in language models is madly accelerating, and each step sees us closing the gap on these oddball quirks. It's a bit like taming a wild stallion, a process of refining, understanding, and creating strides toward mastery with each attempt. Now, let's add a bit of fun to the mix. What could be the absolutely wildest, most nonsensical AI hallucination you've encountered or can imagine? Perhaps a story where cats invent jetpacks to explore the cosmos, or where snowmen debate the ethics of summer barbecues. Share these gems in the comments. We could all use a laugh and learn from the outlandish creativity these tools sometimes kick up. Before we wrap up today's topic, remember that understanding and tackling AI hallucinations is not just about having a quirky conversation or crafting the perfect interaction. It's about harnessing the potential of large language models and responsibly wielding them to push boundaries, innovate, and create without falling prey to the whimsical errors they may sometimes throw at us. It's like developing a sixth sense, knowing when your AI buddy is spot on or when it's merely living on a cloud in a daydream. As always, if you find yourself pondering AI's intricacies or exploring its vast landscape, remember that AI Thunder journeys alongside you. Our mission here is not simply to scratch the surface, but to dive deep and come up with the pearls of understanding that sharpen your tech wit and broaden your horizon. Thank you for joining us on this cerebral soiree into AI hallucinations. Your support means the world to us, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your circle, and subscribe for more AI insider peeks. We have plenty more riveting tales on the horizon, ready to engage and entertain.